So I want to turn iPhone flashlight by tapping on the back. You can see the backlight has been turned on. It's also turned off. So in this video, I will guide you to turn on flashlight on iPhone using a back button. Tap on the settings. Now scroll to the accessibility. Scroll to touch. Then scroll down to the base of this place. Tap on back tap. Here you have two options, double tap and triple tap. So you can use either of it. Let's use double tap. Tap on it. Now from the option you have here, you see flashlight. Tap on it. Now go back again, go back again, go back again. Now you've completed the settings. So this might not functioning properly, but at least it still work. Let's try it out. By tapping on the back of the phone, you see it turn it on, back, it turn it off. Turn it on, let's tap it again, it turn it on, it turn it off. So this is a simple process, guys, on how to enable flashlight by tapping in the back of your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip or if not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.